meiotic division. In mother ovary, prophase first meiosis take place, the primary oocyte is formed. But here, primary oocyte complete first meiotic division and form the secondary oocyte and first polar body. Polar body function is not explained, that is degenerate. Secondary oocyte is left. A tertiary follicle change into the Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle is mature, secondary oocyte is free, and that is called the ooted. Up in this secondary oocyte, again meiosis division take place. In which time? During the fertilization process. When sperm enter in egg, on that time secondary oocyte is divided by the meiotic division, formed ovum or second polar body. Second polar body degenerate, ovum combined with the male nuclei and form the zygote. Yes. Any doubt? Ayush, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Or any doubt? Yeah, any doubt, you can ask me a question. Yes, any doubt? नहीं, चले आगे. पढ़ाऊं आगे? कोई doubt नहीं है? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now again I am taking that topic is there. What is that? Listen me. Listen me. Already I taught you fertilization. What is a fertilization? Give me answer. What is a fertilization?
When
Fusion of
male and female gametes
Fusion of
fuse.
Fusion of male and female gamete is called the fertilization. It is also called syngamy. Okay, listen. Already I taught you after the fertilization, when the sperm is come near the ovum, what happened? The acrosome dissolve zona pellucida. When acrosome dissolve zona pellucida, sperm male nuclei enter in the ovum, or ovum secondary oocyte divide by meiotic division from the ovum. Clear? Ovum and male gamete combined from the zygote. When the sperm react with zona pellucida membrane is changed and the new membrane is formed. That is called the corona radiata. What is the name of membrane? Corona radiata. The new membrane is formed.
Corona?
Just corona radiata. What is the use of corona radiata? When the one sperm is enter, due to the formation of the another sperm is not possible. Yani corona radiata stop entry of other sperm. After the entry of the one sperm, other sperm cannot enter inside the ovum due to the formation of corona radiata. Clear? Now I am showing you ovum with the help of the diagram. Yes.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम बाकी स्पर्म डिजेनरेट हो जाएंगे ना?
Listen me. Baki sperm they cannot enter. They and why they don't enter, you know very well. Now it is visible or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Visible.
ऊपर करो थोड़ा.
एक मिनट करती हूँ. Wait. किधर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड? विजिबल?
Ma'am, ऊपर,
Yes, ma'am.
ऊपर करूँ?
हाँ, ma'am, थोड़ा सा ऊपर.
मैम लेफ्ट भी कर दो मैम थोड़ा.
मैं
तो left भी कर लो.
हाइट कम कर. Now देखो. आप now it is visible. आप देखो.
लेफ्ट शिफ्ट
अब मैं डायग्राम कर रही हूँ बेटा, कर रही हूँ. ये लेफ्ट. यस दिख रहा है?
थोड़ा सा मैम.
एक मिनट. और अब दिख रहा है? ये लो, अब पूरा दिख रहा है?
यस
मैम.
क्लियर दिख रहा है ना?
यस मैम.
यस. लिसन मी.
मैम ज्यादा शिफ्ट कर दिया आपने.
लो, ये लो, बस वापस कर दिया. ओके, थोड़ा सा
सही है मैम. हाँ,
बताते जाना ताकि. Yes, listen me. This is the corona. This is the ovum diagram. I am drawing that diagram. This is the ovum. In ovum, entry of the sperm. You know, when the sperm is enter, when the sperm come near, it react with Jona pallasuda. Jona pallasuda is this one membrane. This one is called the Jona pallasuda membrane. Jona pallasuda, and inside this one membrane is called the plasma membrane. This one membrane is called the plasma membrane. Okay, or this is Jona pallasuda membrane. Outer membrane is called Jona pallasuda membrane. Okay, and when the sperm come in contact, dissolve the Jona pallasuda. What happened? Corona radiata is formed. What is formed? Corona radiata layer is formed. So when the other sperm come, they cannot enter. The sperm cannot enter inside. Okay, and other sperm will degenerate. So sometime in exam, question will come. Draw the diagram of corona radiata. Clear? Clear? Yes. Sperm is
Yes,
come,
ma'am.
react with Jona pallasuda from the new layer, that is called the corona radiata. So the other sperm cannot enter inside the egg. Only the
मैम
one
कोरोना
male
रेडिएटा कौन
sperm
सी
is
है?
the outer membrane. जो round membrane is the corona radiata. This one is a corona radiata. मैंने लिखा है corona radiata, नहीं लिखा है, लिख रही हूँ मैं corona. Okay, clear? This is the corona radiata. So the sperm, other sperm cannot enter. Okay? Okay. Now I am going to explain how the fertilization processes take place. For that, I am taking diagram here. You know fallopian tube. यहाँ से visible है? बेटा visible है ये जो मैं diagram draw कर रही हूँ? Yes, this is visible.
No मैम, no मैम.
Yes. No, ma'am.
Now visible? Visible? Two lines draw करिए मैंने. Yes,
मैम
visible.
Yes, ma'am.
अब बना रही हूँ ना. Yes, you know, after the fertilization, what happened? I already taught you the diagram of the uterus. Again, I am going to draw the uterus. Uterus here. You know, in a
मैं पूरा
uterus,
diagram.
एक मिनट बनाती हूँ. In a uterus, what is present? Cervical canal. नहीं दिख रहा अभी? नीचे तक डायग्राम दिख रहा है?
मैम
मैम.
ऊपर शिफ्ट करो मैम.
कैमरा को ऊपर रखूं? मैं मेरा डब्बा
No.
ले आती हूँ बेटा.
पेपर पूरा नहीं दिख रहा है मैम.
पेपर नहीं दिख रहा है ना? वो डब्बे से दिखता है, मैं डब्बा ला रही हूँ. 1 मिनट में लाई.
डब्बा. क्या हुआ?
मैं कह रहा राजू तू पेपर देखना है डायग्राम देखना है.
पेपर दिखेगा तभी तो डायग्राम दिखेगा.
Now,
देख ले.
yes, beta. Now this one condition is okay. Yes. आप visible है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. पूरा दिख रहा है.
Listen me. This is the uterus. Already you know, uterus lower side is called the lower canal is there. That is called the cervical canal. Cervical canal. Okay. This is the fallopian tube. सही है? Fallopian tube. Funnel shaped. अब you know, during ejaculation, the sperms are moved by the cervical canal. By the penis ejaculate the sperm, sperms are moved by cervical canal, by the cervical canal and enter in the isthmus. From infundibulum side, the egg is come. Infundibulum side, egg is come, and from uterus side, what is come? Sperm is come. When egg and sperm meet in between isthmus ampulla junction. This is the isthmus, this is the ampulla. Ampulla, isthmus, junction, fertilization take place. Or what is formed? Zygote is formed. That is a zygote. Where fertilization take place? When sperm, when male gamete and female gamete meet in between ampulla isthmus junction, fertilization take place and zygote is formed. Or you already know zygote is 2n. Zygote is 2n. Okay. After the formation of the zygote, this fertilization formation after the 24 hours, the division starts. Zygote divide by mitotic division. Which division? Mitotic division. These mitotic divisions are called cleavage. An exam question will come. What is a cleavage? In a zygote, mitotic division take place. That division is called the cleavage. Division is called the cleavage. And by the mitotic division, first of all, zygote divide and form the 2 cell. What is formed? 2 unequal cell is formed. Again, divide by mitotic division, 4 cell is formed. 4 cell. Okay. Again by mitotic division, 8 to 16 cells are formed. How many cells? 8 to. Yani 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16. Now the 16 cells, 8 to 16 cell stage is called, 8 to 16 cell stage is called morula. What is the name? Morula. Visible now? 8 to 16 stage embryo is called the morula. What is that? Morula. And embryo continuously move uterus side and come in the isthmus. And the cells are formed inside the zygote. These cells are called the blastomere. What is the name of cell? Blastomere. What is the name of cell? Blastomere. Okay. And again, zygote divide by mitotic division. And the group of cell is formed. Again, divide by mitotic division. Many cells are formed. And that stage is called the cavity is also formed. And that is called the blastula. What is formed? Blastula. The cells are divided and the stage is called the blastula. Blastula. Okay, in blastula and in a blastula, the cavity is present. This cavity is called the blastocyst. What is the name of cavity? Blastocyst. In this condition, you know, uterus wall, endometrium is thick. In this condition, come inside the uterus wall. In this condition, in blastula stage, the embryo come in uterus. And cell are arranged. Outer layer is formed. That is called the trophoblast. Outer layer is formed. This is called the trophoblast. And inner cells are called inner cell mass. Yani inner cells are formed. That is called inner cell mass.
मैम आउटर लेयर कौन सी बनी?
Inner is inner cell mass. And the cavity is here. Listen, cavity is also present here. This one cavity is a blastocyst. When embryo come in the uterus, endometrium cells are divided and cover the blastocyst. When blastula come in uterus, endometrium cells are divided, cover the blastocyst. So, embryo embedded in the uterus wall, that process is called the implantation process. Okay, यहाँ तक का समझ में आया? Again, I am going to repeating. Listen me. During the coitus, sperm ejaculate and sperm move, ejaculate by the penis, move through cervical canal, come in cervix, come in uterus. uterus to come in the isthmus. Same time, the eggs are released from the ovary and move by the infundibulum, femori, infundibulum, and impula. When will fertilization take place? When the sperms and egg move simultaneously. When both will meet in between impula isthmus junction. Fertilization take place only in impula isthmus junction and simultaneously come and meet. When the sperm come before or egg is backside, fertilization does not take place. When egg fast and pass from the impula or sperm is not come, fertilization does not take place. When will fertilization take place? Both will come simultaneously and on the same time come between the impula isthmus junction. Both are fertilized and what is formed? Zygote. Zygote is a diploid cell. Okay, after the 24-hour, zygote divide by mitotic division. That mitotic divisions are called the cleavage. 1 number question. And the cells are formed. These cells are called the blastomeres. 1 marks question. First zygote divide the first mitotic division. 2 cells are formed. Again divide, 4 cells form. Again divide, 8 cells form. Again divide, 8 to 16 cell stage is called the morula stage. After that, again divide by mitotic division, blastula stage come. How can we identify blastula? In which blastocyst cavity is present and continuously embryo move towards uterus. When after the blastula, embryo come in the uterus and the blastula cells are arranged. Outer layer form the trophoblast, inner is from the inner cell mass. Cavity is also present, that is called the blastocyst. That cavity covered by endometrium cell. Endometrium cells are divided, cover the blastocyst, so embryo embedded in the uterus wall. This is called the implantation. Any doubt? You can ask me question.
मैम यूट्रस की वॉल को क्या कहते हैं?
Endometrium. Innermost wall is called the endometrium. Perimetrium, myometrium, endometrium. Okay. Innermost endometrium. अब आफ्टर दैट
सर्विकल कैनाल कौन सी होती है? तो
सर्विकल
कैनाल कौन सी होती है? अरे यार
गई मैम तो।
ये स्मार्टनेस किसने दिखाई भाई? स्मार्टनेस किसने दिखाई है? क्या पूछ रहे हो? सर्विकल. ये
सर्विकल कैनाल किसको कहते हैं फिर?
Cervical canal is called the birth canal. Diagram visible or not?
यूट्रस में होती है क्या?
Uterus का lower portion is a cervix.
Okay.
Uterus का lower portion cervix होता है और cervix के बाद का जो पाइप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, जो कैनाल है, उसको बोलते हैं सर्विकल कैनाल. और सर्विकल कैनाल आउटसाइड ओपन होती है बाय द वेजाइना. That is external genitalia. Okay. Yes, any doubt?
मैम ब्लास्टोमियर सेल क्या होता है?
Yes. Yes. Any doubt? You can ask me question.
मैम मोरूला के पहले वाली स्टेज क्या थी मैम?
Pardon? जोर से बोलो.
मैम मोरूला के पहले वाली स्टेज क्या थी?
2 cell stage. पहले डिवाइड हुआ 2 cell stage, 4 cell stage, 8 cell stage, 8 to 16 cell stage is called the morula. 8 से लेकर 16 तक इसको मोरूला बोलते हैं. ओके. और बोलो. Listen me. The trophoblast outer layer is called the chronic, and it form the chorionic villi. Okay, मैंने अभी बताया था. Chorionic villi means what is that? Listen me. The trophoblast you know. Trophoblast you know. The trophoblast after implantation, trophoblast में finger-like projections are arise. These finger-like projections are called the coryn. These are called the coryn. And ये finger-like projection develop हो गए, that is called the chorionic villi, which are embedded in the uterus wall. यानी trophoblast is the outer layer, protective layer, from which the crony is villi. Crony means villi, chronical villi. That is a finger-like projection which embedded in the uterus wall, endometrium. ठीक है? And after